Hey guys, Gina here and welcome back to my channel. So today I have another Grove collaborative unboxing. So I just placed my order on May 1st and it is May 4th and everything was delivered to me. So it took about 3 days for them to deliver everything. So I'm just gonna share everything with you guys. No, this is not a sponsored video. I placed this order myself. However, I do have a link for you guys below if you're new to Grove. This month they're offering a free $10 in product plus a 5-piece Mrs. Meyer's cleaning set for new customers. So if you are interested at all in any of the Grove collaborative cleaning products, there'll be a link below for you guys to go ahead and sign up and you're gonna get your free Mrs. Meyer's and $10. So awesome. So one of the things that I love about Grove Collaborative is I can just order online and I don't even have to deal with the fuss and fuss of Target sometimes. And I have completely switched over to natural cleaning products. I don't use anything other than natural cleaning products because I have kids, I have dogs, and I'm pregnant, so I just don't want to deal with harsh chemicals. So some of these items are new, but some of these items are also repeats that they're like staples in my cleaning routine. So first thing I picked up that is a constant repeat buy for me is the Method Daily Shower Spray. So basically what you do is you just spray this in your shower when you're done showering, obviously, and then it's gonna help with the like the grime that builds up, and it's gonna help prevent mildew, and it's in the scent Eucalyptus Mint. It's a very subtle scent. So this guy is $2.99 on the Grove Collaborative site. It's the same price as Target, so if you can get the same price from Grove as Target, why not? Because when you get your order to a certain amount, they start offering you free gift items too. So Target doesn't offer free gifts when you buy cleaning products. So you can get free shipping with your Red card, but you also get free shipping with Grove Collaborative as well. So same price, both free shipping. I would say go to Grove Collaborative. So a new thing that I picked up is the 7th generation disinfectant spray. So I picked this guy up because I like to disinfect the kids' like toys, and I also disinfect the light switches and like the door handles and toilet flusher. But I wanted to go with a natural cleaner because I don't like the chemical-y smell from other Lysol sprays, and they have essential oils in it, so it helps give a better scent to the spray. So this is in lavender, vanilla, and thyme. So I picked that guy up. And then another repeat purchase of mine that I buy all the time and I love, it's the Method Antibacterial Toilet Bowl Cleaner, and this is in spearmint. Love this stuff. It leaves my toilet smelling minty fresh. So I buy this every single month because I go through a bottle of this every single month. So this is a constant repeat buy, staple in my collection. So I have some new stuff that I'm trying out. So the first thing I'm trying out is the Method Stainless Steel Cleaner. So this is the Method Stainless Steel Cleaner. I have another one. I forgot the brand name of it, but I'm not a fan of it. Here, now that I have my computer open, I'll tell you which one I was using. Let's see. So I've been using the Weinmann Stainless Steel Cleaner, and I just absolutely do not like it. So I wanted to go ahead and try out the Method Stainless Steel Cleaner. So this is in the scent Apple Orchard, which is the same scent as the Granite Spray, which I love as well. I didn't need to replenish this month, but I'm probably gonna have to replenish it next month, but I picked this guy up. And then something else that I picked up is the Method Wood Cleaner. So I have a wooden kitchen table, and I've been noticing that my other cleaning sprays are not doing a good job at cleaning it, probably because I'm not using wood cleaning spray. So I'm trying this guy out as well, and this is in the almond scent, which I had the same Method floor cleaner in the almond scent, and I really liked it. And then the next thing, last thing I picked up is the Mrs. Meyer's baking soda cream cleanser. So I got this guy to clean my sink with, and then I'm also going to be using this to clean my stove with as well. So it is a degreaser as well as a cleaner. So you can pretty much use this on anything you want. And this is in the lemon verbanda scent. So I have the dish soap in this stuff. Love the scent of that. So I'm excited to go ahead and give this a go too. So these are all the items that I received from Grove Collaborative for this month. So like I mentioned, I place a Grove Collaborative order every single month. I'll do 7th generation diapers, 7th generation wipes. I'll do sunscreens. I get all sorts of stuff from Grove Collaborative. A, because it ships to my door and it's the same price as Target, and I earn free gifts when I'm buying stuff that I already need to buy anyways. So I'm a big fan of Grove. I've been with them for probably 4 or 5 months now. I think it's like February. Yeah, about 4 months. Love it. And again, no, this is not a sponsored video. Just I love sharing things that I love with you guys, because I feel like I've built this relationship with you guys to where you really take my suggestions to heart, and you guys comment all the time telling me how helpful these types of videos are for you guys. So it's like we're friends chatting about what we love, basically, because we are all friends here. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like it so I know you have enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel, and maybe you'll see a cleaning routine coming soon with all of my new goodies. And that's also something that I will add. When you have cleaning products that you're excited about, because I'm a weirdo and I get really excited over replenishing cleaning products, it makes me really excited. So now I'm excited to go and clean. So that's a way to get you motivated to clean, is to pick out some stuff that you really like. And now I'm ready to go clean. I hope everyone's having a great day. I like to ramble here on this channel, so sorry in advance for future rambling sessions. So I hope everyone's having a great day. I think I've said that like 70 times, and I will talk to everyone later. Bye.